What a lovely morning. We're down at the river and we're trying to do a little bit of work for a grab pole, I suppose you would call it. I remember my dad years ago making these himself. He'd get the wood and he'd plane it down and sand it. And I remember him making the oars for the boats as well. Some job.
This, of course, is to stop the wood splitting when they screw the hook into it.
Okay.
And this is where it gets tricky. Getting enough twisting power to get this tight. Might have to use a little bit of ingenuity.
Yes.
So basically we need to wedge this into something so that we can twist the pole and, well, use the whole thread, so this will never come out. Okay.
Okay.
So we're going to try this. You can't fall down, so, and it's already in place.
Ingenuity is right.
Let's see if there's enough. If I have enough twisting power. It gets tighter as it goes, it seems.
I'm thinking it might help us if or when we get some seaweed on the back of the engine. You can see there's already seaweed on it. I can't imagine it being troublesome at the moment, but as you may recall in a previous video, we gathered up quite a bit of seaweed, so much so that it choked the engine. Thinking of hooks, doesn't the Bible have a verse for everything in life? In Ezekiel, God states he will turn the enemy around and put hooks in their jaws, signifying that he will control and direct them to a specific purpose. God can control anybody and he can turn anybody around. He really is all-powerful, not somebody you'd want to be messing with. He's the most loving friend and gracious and kind father, but he's not a good enemy to have. And I would ask you today to consider where your standing is with God. Are you his enemy or is he your friend? The old song, what a friend we have in Jesus. All my sins and griefs to bear. That means I can tell Jesus all of my sins. What a privilege to carry everything to God in prayer. Believe that Jesus is God. Believe that when he suffered and died on the cross, he was there for you, suffering and dying for your sins. And then he was raised from the dead. Ask him to forgive you. Acknowledge that it's not your good deeds that get you to heaven, but what he did on the cross. Submit to God. You couldn't do a better thing today. Thanks for watching. Every now and again, when I'm out walking, I see this man, and every now and again I'll stop and say hello. And I can't resist but to stop and watch the dog. It's a lovely dog. He's only 4 years old. And Johnny, I believe the name of the man is, throws something into the river and the dog rushes down and jumps in and swims over the length of it and swims back, and it would just do you good looking at it.